Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Quick Bloom Snacks. We are making honey butter popcorn. Moving on, this is going to be one of your favorite popcorn recipes. Trust me. So, do come along and let's get started. So, we have two pans on the stove top for a reason, which you're going to find out very soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to begin by popping my corn kernels. So I have a bit of oil in the saucepan, and then I went in with some of the corn kernels. I'm waiting for it to heat up a bit, and then I'll cover and allow it to basically pop. That's it. Okay, you know how popcorn can be so easy to make. So this is no stress. And like I've been campaigning with this mini series, we are not going to waste too much time in the kitchen because the little tummies of the little ones don't have enough patience. Okay, so as you can see, my corn kernels have begun popping. I'm going to allow it to finish popping, but do not leave the saucepan on the stove unattended to. It takes a few minutes till this is done, but you have to come in periodically to shake the saucepan like you've seen in the video. This will ensure that your corn kernels have an even distribution of heat throughout the saucepan, and then you're not going to end up burning some, and then some others are not going to get popped. Okay, so take note of that. As you can see, I'm shaking it quite rigorously so that we don't have that situation. If this is your first time here, my name is Yasmin. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. Like I said earlier, this is the first episode of my mini series, Quick Bloom Snacks. I've got you covered because the little ones are on summer holidays, they are coming for the long vac, and I know that when they say they are hungry, they don't give you time, okay? So you can make any of these snacks to keep their tummies occupied till the main food comes. So moving on, in my other frying pan, I'm going to melt some margarine or butter. So use whichever one is available to you really. Here in Ghana, margarine is much cheaper, so that's why I'm giving that option as well. Margarine, butter, they both work, okay? So once that is melted down a bit, I'm going to go ahead and add in honey. Yes, we are calling it honey butter popcorn for this reason. No sugar at all, okay? So if you like, you can check the measurements I use for this particular recipe in the description box, but you don't necessarily need measurements, okay? Everything here is to your taste. I mean the honey and then the margarine or butter as well. And of course, you can make whatever quantity of popcorn you want, okay? So that's what I'm saying, that if you like, you can check the description box for quantities for the ingredients I used in this video, okay? But you don't have to. So once that is melted, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt and then a pinch of cinnamon. The salt, don't skip on it because it balances the sweetness from the honey, but you can certainly omit the cinnamon. But cinnamon is a nice spice. Come on, just add it, okay? So once this simmers for about 2 minutes, just take it off the fire, bring in your popcorn, and drizzle this deliciousness or yumminess over your popcorn, and you're good to go. But note that once you swap the positions, like I'm taking this off the fire and then bringing the popcorn forward, I will turn off the heat as you just saw, okay? And then I'll drizzle my honey and butter mixture all over my popcorn. Here you're going to mix, 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 mix until all of the mixture is combined beautifully with the popcorn, or the mixture coats every single popcorn very nicely. Just a reminder that this series will continue till the little ones go back to school somewhere in August or September. So be prepared to be spoiled for choice, okay? Please give me a thumbs up on the video if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this particular recipe for your little ones and even yourself for that movie night or date night, whatever. Certainly share this video when you are done watching, okay? Still sticking to my regular posting days on the channel. I'll be posting on Tuesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. GMT. So do stick around and do not miss the next episode of Quick Bloom Snacks. Do turn on the notification bells, and until we meet again, as always, keep blooming.